Focuster is a powerful productivity and time management software, but before you decide to make it your go-to tool, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll go through the good and the not so good aspects so you can make an informed choice. By the end of this, you'll understand whether Focuster is the right fit or if there's a better solution for your needs. Next thing to consider is Focuster's intuitive task and time management system. It allows you to create time block schedules and focus on the right tasks at the right time. It's a great way to stay organized, but compared to other software like Trello or Asana, it might feel a little restrictive if you prefer a more visual approach. The third thing to know is that Focuster integrates well with calendars, which means your schedule can automatically sync with your Google or Outlook calendar. This feature helps avoid missed appointments, but it lacks the seamless integration of some competitors like ClickUp, which offer more customizable workflows. Moving on, the fourth thing is how Focuster helps prioritize tasks based on deadlines, complexity, and importance. It helps you focus on what matters most, but its automated task prioritization isn't as advanced as apps like Todoist or Notion, which offer more flexibility for complex projects. The fifth thing is Focuster's focus on deep work. It encourages you to eliminate distractions and focus on the tasks that require the most concentration. This is great if you want a distraction-free environment, but some users find the interface too minimalist and prefer the balance of features and customization options offered by competitors like Notion or Todoist. The sixth point is its simplicity. Focuster doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features, which can be a relief for those who find apps like Trello or Asana too complicated. However, this simplicity might leave advanced users looking for more in-depth analytics and features. Next thing to keep in mind is Focuster's mobile app. It's designed to help you stay on top of your tasks, but the mobile version is often considered a bit basic compared to alternatives like Todoist, which offers more robust features and a smoother experience across devices. Another thing to know is Focuster's reporting and analytics tools. While it does provide some useful insights into your productivity, it's not as detailed as other tools like Rescue Time or Toggle, which track your time spent on different activities with greater depth. The ninth thing to consider is the learning curve. Focuster is relatively easy to get started with, but if you're used to more feature-rich platforms like Asana or Notion, you might find it a bit limiting at first. It takes some getting used to if you're looking for something with a broader range of capabilities. The 10th point is its price. Focuster offers various pricing plans, but when compared to other tools in the same category, some users might find it a bit expensive, especially if they're only looking for basic task management. However, it does offer value for those who want a focused, no-frills experience. Now, moving on to the support options. Focuster does offer support, but it's not as robust as some of the competitors. Apps like ClickUp offer 24/7 customer service, while Focuster's support might be slower depending on the issue. The 12th and final thing to know before buying Focuster is that it's a good option for people looking for a straightforward, no-frills task and time management tool. It's ideal for users who want simplicity and a focus on deep work. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or deeper integrations with other tools, you might find competitors like Notion or ClickUp a better fit. In conclusion, Focuster is a solid choice if you want a streamlined productivity tool. But if you're after something more feature-rich, we recommend checking out our top solution, which you can try for free.